Unlock the secrets of winning with our Pick 3 lottery wheel system. Are you tired of playing the Pick 3 lottery and never seeing the results you desire? Have you been searching for that winning edge that could change your life with just a small investment? Well, look no further, because we've got the solution you've been waiting for. Introducing our revolutionary Pick 3 lottery wheel system, your ticket to thrilling wins and a brighter future. What is a Pick 3 lottery wheel system, and how does it work? Let's start by demystifying the term. A Pick 3 lottery wheel system is not some magical contraption, but rather a well-crafted strategy to maximize your chances of winning the Pick 3 lottery. It's simple to understand and easy to use. Here's how it works. Select 6 lucky numbers between 0 and 9, just as you always have. Create number combinations. The magic happens when you use our system to create multiple number combinations with your chosen digits. This method increases your odds of winning, as you're covering more possible outcomes. Play smarter. With our system, you'll be playing more efficiently, optimizing your chances for success while keeping your expenses in check. Why use our Pick 3 lottery wheel system? Affordable. Forget the hefty investments. Our system is budget-friendly, ensuring you can play regularly without breaking the bank. Easy to use. You don't need to be a math genius or a seasoned lottery pro to use our system. We've simplified the process so that anyone can grasp it. Enhanced chances. By generating multiple combinations, you significantly improve your odds of hitting the jackpot. Sustainable wins. Over time, our system can lead to consistent, smaller wins, adding up to substantial profits. It's a long-term investment in your financial future. Endless excitement. The thrill of anticipation and the excitement of the draw will keep you coming back for more. Our system ensures you're always in the game. Real success stories. Thousands of people have already experienced incredible wins using our Pick 3 lottery wheel system. Here are just a few of their stories. Sarah from Texas: I'd never won the Pick 3 lottery before, but with this system, I've secured several wins. It's changed my game. Mark from Florida: I was skeptical at first, but the Pick 3 lottery wheel system has proven to be a game changer. It's not just about the money, it's the thrill of winning. Linda from New York: I always had a soft spot for playing the Pick 3 lottery, and now I'm finally reaping the rewards. This system is a dream come true. Join the winner's circle today. Don't miss this chance to elevate your lottery game and increase your chances of becoming a winner. Our Pick 3 lottery wheel system is your key to a brighter future filled with excitement, financial freedom, and the thrill of success. Get started today and let the winnings roll in. Remember, you can't win if you don't play, and with our system, you'll play smarter and win bigger. Ready to take control of your Pick 3 game? Don't wait, order our Pick 3 lottery wheel system now and be on your way to a life-changing win. Click the link below to gain access to our Pick 3 lottery wheel system.